Optics.org has made it over to the Sacher Lasertechnik stand, and I'm here with Assmann and founder and owner Dr. Joachim Sacher. I know you guys are very busy. How's everything going?
Yeah, the show is great. So we have lots of customers visiting us. There's a lot of networking going on with our project partners from Germany and also from international projects. And we are very happy with the show, how it's going. So we're really looking forward to the rest of the day and tomorrow. At this show, we had already yesterday 2 talks on our scientific work on the achievements which we did over the last year, and looking forward to another talk on Thursday.
Yeah, it's always really interesting being at Photonics West, mind-opening and seeing what the future needs are.
Christian, can I ask what Sacher are developing at the moment?
So we developed quite a bit on new wafer technologies, addressing wavelengths in the red regime like 690-ish. That's pretty much important for quantum technologies to tailor the future needs in terms of strontium lattice clocks, for example. Furthermore, on the same wafer, we have some amplifier material where we are able to address up to 2 watts of power. At the same time, we have a development ongoing to move those amplifiers into small butterfly packages to even make them more rugged for applications in the field.
You just shared some insights into Sacher's technologies and their role in quantum applications. Can you expand on that a bit for our viewers and explain how these technologies are being used in this space?
Sure, Rob. For example, here we have our micron system, which we keep developing every year further to address even narrower line width, while squeezing up the power. With these systems, we can address perfectly the quantum needs. And the whole unit is going to be built on an automated assembly robot, which cuts down the production time dramatically and increases the reliability of our systems.
Christian mentioned the automated robotic assembly Sacher has introduced for your optical amplifiers. How does this shift toward automation fit into your broader manufacturing strategy? And do you see this approach being expanded across other product lines?
Yeah, for us, this is really a very successful type of concept with the robot. It's really pushing down the production time, improving the quality. Right now, as one of the newest products, we have these tapered amplifiers, which are fiber seated within a butterfly package, also assembled within our assembly robot. The newest project where we're currently working on is assembling external cavities lasers with QCLs in the mid-infrared with this robot. So here you can see a classical type of external cavity type of laser system. And now we are transferring the manufacturing of this very successful robot system into our robot. So really for pushing down the costs and the quality of the production. So this, for us, it's a really important topic, and it also got recognized within the community. So we'll have an invited talk on Thursday on our technology, which we developed for this laser assembly robot.
Sacher Laser is advancing precision photonics not only through its optical amplifiers and external cavity lasers, but also through automated robotic manufacturing that improves the quality and reduces production time. This shift highlights a strong commitment to innovation in both product performance and production efficiency. Thank you for your time, guys. We look forward to speaking to you again about your latest products, applications, and manufacturing advancements.